My name is Stéphane Deschênes, and I'm one of two owners of AEC Daily, an online education portal for architects, engineers, and other construction professionals. And we are all over Canada and the US. I think we were doing some research likely on registering a trademark. And I probably found you through Google, but I don't know that for sure. Maybe it was an ad I saw somewhere. We wanted to trademark our brand and some of our images and things that we were using because we saw other people developing that. Some of them had trademarks. I mean, a trademark's only good if you're willing to go to court and defend it, but it still gives you some protection. People are less likely to take advantage of it. So plus we'd heard, a few times we'd been asked by different people whether we owned any trademarks or we had any assets. And we thought, well, let's see what would be involved, what it would cost. And I think that's when we started to do some research. It could have been very expensive with some firms, but Trademark Factory offered a package which seemed reasonable and without risk. So the end result was much longer than we expected, not because of a problem with Trademark Factory, but we got the US trademark relatively quickly. But the Canadian one was contested by somebody which had something completely unrelated. So I'm still not sure why they had an issue with it. It was a good experience. We were given good advice as we went back and forth in terms of what we were registering and how we were to position it to make it more likely that we win it. We ended up negotiating a special deal. We both agreed to coexist with a trademark. We didn't have to pay an extra penny, which was awesome. So kudos for Trademark Factory's deal and sticking to it. So yeah, if anybody's considering using Trademark Factory, I would say go for it because they've proven themselves. If I have another trademark, I will absolutely use them again because they did what they needed to do to make it happen, never asked us for a single penny more, never even suggested that we need to pay anything, never even complained. I'm very impressed. It's real. The deal is real. There was clearly lots of expertise and lots of good advice and direction to get us there. So it was easy. We didn't have to do too much. It was all done by them.